Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to bypass add your Microsoft account. It's a very easy method. So guys, once you loaded up Windows 11, you're going to come across a screen like this. The configuration part. Just select which country you're from. Click on next. And then again next. Next. Now this is the very interesting part. Pay close attention. What you need to do is hold the shift key down and then you tap onto F10 just like this. And then it will prompt a screen like this. So just remember guys, shift here and then F10 together, press. Now pay close attention. This is what you need to type in to bypass add your Microsoft account. You can do this with Wi-Fi or without Wi-Fi. This is a more clearer view of what you need to type in. And then once you press enter, it should say success, the process, so on, has been terminated. And then you type exit. And then bingo, you bypassed it. Give this account a name and then you're all set to go.